In today's fast-paced world, the significance of self-healing through natural methods and lifestyle changes cannot be overstated. Understanding how modern diets and lifestyles affect our health is crucial, as many of us unknowingly consume processed foods and lead sedentary lives, which can lead to various health issues. By recognizing these impacts, we can take proactive steps toward improving our well-being. One powerful approach to self-healing is fasting, which has been shown to promote cellular repair and rejuvenation. Fasting not only aids in weight management, but also encourages the growth of stem cells, which play a vital role in healing and regeneration within the body. Additionally, addressing nutritional deficiencies is essential for optimal health. Many individuals lack key vitamins and minerals that are critical for bodily functions. By correcting these deficiencies, we can enhance our immune system, boost energy levels, and improve overall vitality. As we delve into the topic of self-healing, it's important to set the stage for actionable insights that viewers can easily implement in their daily lives. Simple changes, such as incorporating whole foods into our diets, practicing intermittent fasting, and prioritizing physical activity, can lead to significant improvements in health. By embracing these natural methods and lifestyle adjustments, we empower ourselves to take charge of our health and well-being. Ultimately, the journey toward self-healing is not just about addressing symptoms, but fostering a holistic approach that nurtures our bodies and minds, paving the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. Over the past century, the landscape of food quality and health standards has undergone significant transformation, reflecting a stark contrast between the natural foods of the past and today's heavily processed options. 100 years ago, diets were predominantly composed of whole, unprocessed foods, rich in nutrients and free from artificial additives. In contrast, modern diets are often laden with processed items that contain preservatives, artificial flavors, and sweeteners, which can detract from nutritional value. Additionally, the absence of organic sections in many grocery stores highlights a shift away from natural farming practices, leading to an increased reliance on chemically treated produce. Additives such as chlorine and fluoride, commonly found in processed foods and water supplies, raise concerns about their long-term effects on health. These substances, often used for preservation and sanitation, can contribute to a range of health issues, including digestive problems and hormonal imbalances. The cumulative impact of these changes has been profound as society grapples with rising rates of obesity, diabetes, and other chronic diseases. The convenience of processed foods may appeal to busy lifestyles, but the hidden costs to health are becoming increasingly evident. As we reflect on these shifts, it is crucial to recognize the importance of returning to a more natural approach to food. By prioritizing whole, organic options and minimizing exposure to harmful additives, we can take meaningful steps toward improving our health and well-being. Understanding the evolution of our food systems is essential for making informed choices that promote a healthier future for ourselves and generations to come. Fasting has emerged as a powerful tool for self-healing and enhancing overall health, primarily due to its ability to trigger a process known as autophagy. This natural mechanism allows the body to enter a state of cellular cleansing, where damaged cells are broken down and recycled, promoting regeneration and improving cellular function. By engaging in fasting, individuals can support their bodies in detoxifying and rejuvenating at a cellular level, leading to improved health outcomes. Within the holistic community, people have shared transformative personal experiences from their fasting program, highlighting not only physical benefits but also mental clarity and emotional resilience. Many have reported increased energy levels, enhanced focus, and a deeper connection to their bodies, which fosters a greater understanding of their health needs. Furthermore, the shift in eating habits in modern society has led to a culture of overeating, often driven by convenience and the availability of processed foods. This overconsumption can result in a range of health issues, including obesity, metabolic disorders, and chronic inflammation. By incorporating fasting into their routines, individuals can counteract these negative consequences, allowing their bodies to reset and restore balance. The practice of fasting encourages mindfulness around food choices and promotes a healthier relationship with eating. As we explore the benefits of fasting, it becomes clear that this ancient practice offers a pathway to not only physical healing, but also a holistic approach to well-being, empowering individuals to reclaim their health and vitality in a world increasingly dominated by unhealthy eating habits. Stimulating stem cell growth naturally is a fascinating avenue for promoting tissue regeneration and enhancing overall health. Stem cells play a crucial role in healing and immune support, as they possess the unique ability to differentiate into various cell types and repair damaged tissues. By harnessing the power of stem cells, we can potentially accelerate recovery from injuries and bolster our immune systems. There are several lifestyle changes that individuals can adopt to enhance stem cell activity. For instance, incorporating a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and nutrients can create an optimal environment for stem cell function. Among the foods that stand out is cacao, which is not only a delicious treat, but also packed with flavonoids that have been shown to stimulate stem cell proliferation. Regular exercise is another vital factor. Engaging in physical activity has been linked to increased stem cell mobilization and improved overall health. Exercise promotes circulation and oxygenation, which are essential for stem cell activity and tissue repair. Additionally, practices such as intermittent fasting can further enhance stem cell growth by creating a regenerative state within the body. By making these lifestyle adjustments, individuals can support their body's natural healing processes and promote the regeneration of tissues. The combined benefits of cacao, regular exercise, and mindful dietary choices can lead to a significant boost in stem cell activity, ultimately contributing to improved health and vitality. Embracing these natural methods empowers individuals to take charge of their well-being and unlock the potential of their body's innate healing capabilities. Correcting nutritional deficiencies is vital for activating self-healing and promoting overall health. In today's society, many individuals suffer from common deficiencies, particularly in essential nutrients such as iron, magnesium, and vitamin D. These deficiencies can have serious health implications, leading to conditions like anemia, fatigue, weakened immune function, and even chronic diseases. For instance, insufficient iron levels can result in anemia, causing symptoms like weakness and decreased cognitive function. Similarly, a lack of magnesium can contribute to muscle cramps, anxiety, and cardiovascular issues, while inadequate vitamin D levels are linked to bone health problems and increased susceptibility to infections. Addressing these deficiencies is crucial for restoring balance and enabling the body to heal itself effectively. To combat these issues, it is essential to encourage viewers to focus on natural foods that provide proper nourishment. Whole foods such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, legumes, and fatty fish are rich in the vitamins and minerals necessary for optimal health. By prioritizing a diet abundant in these nutrient-dense options, individuals can not only correct deficiencies but also enhance their overall well-being. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables can further support the body's healing processes as they are packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients. Ultimately, understanding the significance of correcting deficiencies empowers individuals to take proactive steps toward their health, fostering a deeper connection to their bodies and promoting a lifestyle that supports self-healing through proper nutrition. Embracing these changes can lead to a more vibrant and resilient life. In summary, we've explored several key points that highlight the importance of fasting, stimulating stem cell growth, and correcting nutritional deficiencies as essential components of self-healing and overall health. Fasting serves as a powerful tool for cellular cleansing through autophagy, promoting regeneration and enhancing mental clarity. We also discussed how natural methods can stimulate stem cell activity, which plays a crucial role in tissue repair and immune support. Additionally, Correcting common deficiencies in nutrients like iron, magnesium, and vitamin D is vital for maintaining optimal health and preventing serious health issues. By focusing on whole, natural foods, individuals can nourish their bodies effectively and support their healing processes. Now it's time for you to take actionable steps toward improving your health. Consider incorporating fasting into your routine, engaging in regular exercise, and prioritizing a nutrient-rich diet to enhance your well-being. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements over time. We encourage you to engage with us by subscribing to our channel for more health insights and tips. If you found this information valuable, please like the video, share it with friends and family who may benefit from these discussions, and click on the links in the description. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content that empowers individuals to take charge of their health. Together, let's embark on this journey toward better health and well-being, fostering a community that thrives on knowledge and self-improvement.